So I cut the Luan plywood, and I had to take a 45 off each of the corners because it was just too long for the design. I laid it out and it stuck out, so I took the 45 out from what I was trying to do. I then laid out a different pattern, which I now have taken apart, but I did take a photo of it. And when I took it apart, I marked a key spot here, and also I measured and marked a line down the center. That'll help me keep my pattern straight. Now the tricky part is going to be I'm going to be screwing from the other side, so I can't see this. So I'm not really sure how that's going to go, but maybe it's not going to be that bad. So I laid out the first 4, which is going to be blocks. I changed the pattern, so it's going to be 4 blocks. I'm going to, so when I picked them up, I marked out where I need screw holes. So I'm going to now pre-drill these through here this way, and then from the back side I'll just countersink it slightly so the head of it's a little bit smooth, not sticking out a lot. That's not real critical, but it'll help the wall in case this is moved. It will not scratch walls much. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then we're ready to put our first block on. So I need to find some little screws. I'm not sure what I have. I think the ones I have the most of are too long, but I'll look around, see what I got. Maybe I need to stop and buy some that are special for this type of work. Okay, I'll let you know.